huge difference. The engine coated intake is way better. Like I could hear the engine a little bit more. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be installing this carb-legal engine coated intake to the FRS. You guys will be seeing this red FRS on my channel a lot because I recently just got it, me and my brother. Technically, I gotta get carb-legal air take because the one that I have right now, the Grimmspeed, it is not carb-legal, so whenever I get pulled over, they can see this carb-legal stickers. This is one part that sucks about Cali. Everything gotta be legal. Okay, I've been staying here for 7 months on my silver FRS. That thing that shoots massive flames and stuff too. But yeah, anyways, that's all to the video. So before when I install the intake, all I want to ask you guys is to smash the like button and subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, check out my channel. You guys will see content from the GTR, the FRS, and the Mazda Miata MD2. Let's hop into the video for real now. So me and my brother, we got the car not too long ago, and they also came with the Grimmspeed air intake, and it also comes with a catted unequal length header. I'm not sure what kind of brand it is, but then from my research, from this intake with no tune, you could gain up to 10 wheel horsepower, guys. This is crazy. But then, you know, it's not carb legal, so I'm gonna install this engine and let's see how this Grimmspeed sounds like first. So that is how it sounds like for the Grimmspeed, and let's install the engine to see how it sounds like compared to the Grimmspeed. So pretty much this is all of the tools that you will be needing: flathead, 10mm, something that to ply off these little tabs right here, and then the key to open this thing to take out the map sensor in here. So what you want to do first is to take out this 10mm right here, and then there's also another one right there. So there should be 2 in total, and then after that, take out these screws right here, and then the heat shield should come out, and then the whole system should be loose. So once you take out the heat shield and these 2 bolts, you should see your sensor right here, and there should be 2 screws holding in right here. All you gotta do is to take those 2 screws out, and then it should come right out like this. So once you loosen these 2, and then you take out this piece right here, and then the intake should just come right out just like this. So this is how it is supposed to be when it's out. Pretty easy and simple. And also don't forget to take this part out. It's gonna be from the throttle body. All right guys, so I just got the intake installed, and now let's compare this to the Grimmspeed to see if there's a huge difference or even any difference at all. Alright guys, so actually this is a huge difference. I think the engine coated intake is way better. Like I could hear the engine a little bit more. It doesn't pull as hard as the GTR, but you can definitely hear a huge difference. Alright guys, like this is huge. This is huge. I thought that it wouldn't make a big difference. It's a totally different sound. Like you can like hear it suck in more air, and you can actually hear it. The Grimmspeed, you can't. This is crazy. This is crazy. So I'm gonna do like a little pull. I don't know if you guys can hear it or if the camera can pick it up, but let's see if you guys can hear it. Right? I'm gonna tell a little bit more traffic pass. This is kind of like a 20 roll. This is different. This is different. Definitely, I feel like it pulls a little bit harder too. More responsive though. Way more responsive. Like when I tap the gas on the Grimmspeed, it has like a little delay. But then now this one, it does not have a delay. Okay, now this, she made Fun approved. You know what I'm saying? This third gear pull, 60 roll. Oh, heck nah. It's not that fast, but it's fun though, I'm not gonna lie. So as you guys can hear, the Injen and the Grimmspeed, to be honest, I feel like the Injen coder intake has a little bit of more sounding compared to the Grimmspeed. I don't know, you guys be the judge in the comment section, but the mic was placed on the same exact spot. The Injen sounds a little bit better, like you can hear it a little bit more, you know? But yeah, and the Grimmspeed, some article did state that they add like 10 more horsepower if you install that Grimmspeed, but it's just not carb legal, and I live in Cali, so everything gotta be carb legal. But yes guys, anyways, this will be the end of this video, and if you got anything for this video, or if you like any of my content, consider subscribing and smash the like button, guys. I will be posting more about the GTR, FRS, and the ND Miata. Anyways, I'm out, and I'll see you guys on another video, so dream big and inspire.